If you remember from our write operation demo, we had created a document with ID 1 under subject, type, and index class. Now in this exercise, we will add a field to that existing document, and the field will be of type string and its name will be duration. Okay, so let me bring the terminal up. Before we do it, let's do a get on existing document. So we can see here that we have three fields: class ID, subject, and about. Okay, so let's go to this exercise. Go to exercise number 4. There you will find a document called update document.curl. Let's open this. Now to update an existing document, it is a post command. Okay, so you learned about get command, put command, and delete command. Post is to update an existing document which is already there. Okay, so we have a document 1 already existing, and we are saying update this document. Okay, and add a field called duration with value 4 weeks. And when we do that, we need to put the new field under a tag called doc. So we want to update document with ID 1 and add a new field to it, duration with value 4 weeks. So let's go and let's see if I have executable permissions and update. Okay, so once I run this, it should add the new field to the existing document. So as you can see earlier, when we ran get on this document, its version was 1 and it had 3 fields. Okay, now we changed it, added a new field to it, so its version is incremented to 2. Okay, now let's read it again. So here you can see its version is 2 and the new field duration is added in the end. Okay, so I invite you to add more fields into your existing documents and play with them. Okay, try to add all sorts of fields what you can think about, and once you add them, run get commands and try to read them. In next class, we'll talk about 2 more important concepts in Elasticsearch operations: mapping and templates. So I'll see you in the next class.